In every city, every family, every workplace, there are two kinds of people. The first group, they always feel like money is running away from them, no matter how hard they work. And the second group, they quietly grow richer year after year, even when their salary isn't huge. So what's the difference? It's not luck. It's not talent. It's habits. Money doesn't disappear randomly. It slips away through small behaviors we repeat every single day without even noticing. In this video, we're breaking down 9 money habits that silently keep you poor. Some of these might hit hard, but if you fix even 2 or 3 of them, your financial life can completely transform. Let's get started. 1. Paying yourself last. Most people work the whole month, get their salary, and then pay everyone else first. Bills, food, subscriptions, friends, debts, and whatever is left becomes savings. But here's the truth. If you don't pay yourself first, you will never save anything meaningful. Rich people treat saving like a bill that must be paid at the start of every month. Even if it's small, the habit matters more than the amount. When you pay yourself first, you're telling your money, you work for me, not the other way around. Start with even 5% or 10% of your income. Automate it. Your future self will thank you. Once you build this habit, your savings start growing even without increasing your income. And slowly, this discipline becomes the foundation of financial freedom. 2. Getting comfortable with bad debt. Not all debt is bad. Business loans, education loans, or things that produce income can be strategic. But most people fall into the trap of bad debt. Credit cards, fancy phones, unnecessary EMIs, and loans for things that lose value. When you normalize bad debt, you normalize stress. You normalize living for payments every month. And worst of all, interest slowly crushes your finances while you think everything is fine. If it doesn't put money in your pocket, it's not worth borrowing for. Simple rule: if you can't buy it twice, you can't afford it. Bad debt steals tomorrow's peace for today's comfort. And the longer you stay in it, the harder it becomes to escape the cycle. 3. Not knowing your income and expenses properly. Most people don't actually know where their money goes. They just feel, I don't have enough, but never check the numbers. If you don't track your money controls you. Poor money management doesn't come from low income. It comes from low awareness. Track your expenses for 1 month and you'll be shocked. Subscriptions you forgot, food deliveries, mini purchases. They add up fast. Once you know the flow, you can control it. And once you control it, you can build wealth. Clarity turns chaos into control, and control turns into long-term stability. Awareness alone often fixes 30 to 40% of your financial leaks. 4. Taking financial advice from the wrong people. One of the biggest wealth killers, listening to broke people about money. Friends, relatives, neighbors, everyone will tell you what you should do with your money. But here's the harsh truth. If someone isn't financially successful, their advice doesn't deserve space in your mind. Don't take investment tips from someone who never invested. Don't take business advice from someone who never built a business. Don't take life-changing decisions from people stuck in the same problems for years. Follow actions, not opinions. The quality of your financial life depends heavily on the quality of voices you listen to. Choose mentors, not critics. 5. Having expensive hobbies, lifestyle inflation. It starts small: a slightly better phone, a nicer restaurant, a fancier outfit. Then slowly, your lifestyle catches up with every small increase in income. This is lifestyle inflation, the silent killer of wealth. People justify expensive hobbies like, I work hard, I deserve it. But here's the catch. You deserve the life you dream of, not the life you buy to impress yourself temporarily. Rich people grow their income first, then upgrade lifestyle. Broke people upgrade lifestyle first, then wait for income to catch up. It never does. Lifestyle upgrades feel good now, but cost you heavily later. 6. Focusing only on saving instead of increasing income. Saving is important, but you can't save your way to wealth. Cutting costs has a limit, but increasing income? That has no limit. A lot of people spend years trying to save a few dollars here and there while ignoring the bigger picture. Learning new skills, switching careers, starting side income, building something of their own. Saving stops loss, but earning increases power. If all your energy goes into only saving, you'll stay where you are. If your energy goes into earning more, your entire financial life changes. Your income is the engine of your wealth. Make it stronger. The more skills you build, the more opportunities start chasing you. 7. Waiting too long to start investing. Most people wait for the perfect time to invest, perfect market, perfect salary, perfect situation. But here's the truth. The perfect time never comes. The longer you wait, the more you lose. Because compound growth rewards early starters, not late thinkers. Even a small amount invested consistently grows more than large amounts invested late. Investing is not about timing the market, it's about time in the market. Start small. Start now. Let compounding do the heavy lifting. Every month you delay is a month your money could have been growing for you. Future wealth is built on today's tiny decisions, not tomorrow's big plans. 8. Paying too much in taxes, not understanding tax rules. You might be earning well, but if you don't understand basic tax rules, deductions, exemptions, or business structures, you could be losing thousands every year. Rich people don't just earn money, they understand how money works legally. Most countries give tax benefits for investing, saving, or running a business. If you don't learn these rules, you're leaving free money on the table. A little research or guidance can save more money than months of strict budgeting. Ignoring tax knowledge is like voluntarily giving away a chunk of your salary. 9. Buying things to impress others. This is probably the most common habit that keeps people broke. Most purchases today are not made for ourselves. They're made for other people's opinions. That new phone? That branded shirt? That fancy dinner photo for social media? People go broke trying to look rich. But real wealth is quiet. It doesn't need attention. It needs discipline. The moment you stop buying things just to impress others, your bank account starts healing. The peace you gain from not chasing approval is worth more than anything you can buy. When you stop performing for others, your money finally starts working for you. And that shift alone can rewrite your entire financial future. If you recognize even one of these habits in your life, don't worry. Awareness is the first step to change. Money habits are like fingerprints, unique, personal, and powerful. But the good news? They can be rewritten. Start small, fix one habit at a time, and watch how your financial life slowly shifts from stress to stability, and eventually success. Remember, every big transformation begins with one simple decision, and today might be that turning point for you. If this video gave you clarity or motivation, make sure to like, share, and drop a comment telling us which habit you're going to fix first. Thanks for watching, and remember, your money should work for you, not the other way around.